Hey guys, this is me, Lego Master 6. I filmed this video on the same day. I just did one today, but I just chose one of my Legos, and it's called, and I'm Lego Master 6, which you saw me in the other video that I posted still today, but yeah, so I'm going to be showing you, if you haven't seen Avengers, you don't know what it is, but I have the Avengers Quinjet, and it is cool. See these little things? They can go up. See, they can go up and also go down. See, see, they can also go down, but I like them like that because it looks like it's turning like. So yeah, and if they want to shoot it really high up, they would just put it up. So yeah. So here's the little place where the driver drives, and see this little top? You pull it like this and that, and then there's the inside of it. So yeah, and that's not all of it. And here's this little thing of the back, and here's a little blaster that goes. I think I lost one of them. Guys, I'm just gonna say this in this video, but I don't really know where all my Legos go. Okay, so please don't lose them. I'll say 250 likes on this video, please. And so I'm gonna end this. I know I said this in the last video, but Lego, no space, Master, no space, 6, no space. Okay? Bye. I'm gonna end this video.